Several lower house Solons expressed confidence President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s issuance of Executive Order 59 will be a big help in expediting the permit process for government's flagship infrastructure projects. EO 59 streamlines the permitting process. That's why House Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez disclosed the EO will help shorten the completion of flagship infrastructure projects. Ultimately, with such projects being completed at a faster pace, the Filipino people will benefit from this the most, especially if all LGUs and concerned agencies do their part in cooperating with the national government as well.
I think this only emphasizes the sense of urgency the President has given when it comes to development. Alam niya kasi na iilang taon na lang ang natitira sa kanyang administrasyon. In fact, bilang niya po yung araw kung ilan na lang ang natitira at wala siyang araw na gustong maaksaya pagdating sa mga proyektong gusto niyang maipatupad na alam niyang may kinalaman sa pagbabago at pag-unlad ng ating bansa.